Mila's English class and school presents Prepositions and Places.
Hey, so, I'm new in town right now. Could you tell me where the laundromat is? I need to get some laundry done.
Yes, it's on the corner of Main Street and First Avenue. You can't miss it. There's a big sign outside that says Mark's Laundry.
Well, after that, I need to send some letters. What about the post office? Where can I find it?
Oh, that's easy, it's next to the bank, across from the gym. I should go soon myself actually.
And could you help me find the park?
It's behind the library, on the other side of the school. Well, let me clarify, it's on the other side of Washington High, not the Tots Kindergarten.
Okay, I understand. I also need to go to the drugstore to get a new inhaler. Please direct me to the nearest one.
You could go to the one on Main Street, next to the department store. But I suggest the one on Pine Avenue, it has a bigger diversity.
Thanks for your help. I know where to go now.
No problem, happy to help. You can call me in case you get lost, okay?
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more daily English content.